My body is strong and healthy. Every cell is filled with energy and vitality. With each breath, I receive life force. And with each exhale, I release tension and stress. My immune system is powerful. It protects me and keeps me balanced. I respect my body and listen to its needs. I provide it with the care it deserves. I am grateful for my health. Every day I nurture my body, mind, and soul. The nutrition I take strengthens and heals me, and movement brings joy and harmony into my life. My spirit is unbreakable and my mind is clear. Health flows through every aspect of my being. I allow myself to be healthy and full of life. With each day, I become stronger and more resilient. I thank my body for its ability to heal. And I feel the inner peace that supports my overall health. I trust in the power of my body and mind. And with love, I embrace the process of healing and growth. It is natural for my body to be healthy and balanced. Even if I don't know exactly what to do to improve, my body knows. I have billions of cells with individual consciousness, and each one knows how to achieve its balance. I gently release illness and discomfort from my body, and I sense how my body naturally returns to harmony. My body knows exactly what to do, and I trust it. Well-being is natural for me, and I allow the source energy to heal and restore my strength. My body is strong, healthy, and full of energy. Every day I feel better and healthier. My body knows how to heal and renew itself. I am grateful for my health and every moment of life. Every cell in my body is filled with vital energy and strength. With each breath, I receive healing energy. And with each exhale, I release tension. My body is a temple of health and vitality. My body naturally knows how to renew itself. Every cell in my body regenerates and restores with ease and precision. I am filled with confidence in my body's ability to heal and stay balanced. The natural processes of my body know how to self-heal. My body regenerates and renews with ease and naturalness. I trust in my body's ability to maintain perfect health. I have support for complete healing from higher forces and unseen guides. The entire universe is helping me. Angels and spiritual guides provide me with strength and guidance. I trust in this powerful support that accompanies me on the path to perfect health. I open myself to all positive energy and healing influences that come to me. I feel the healing power surrounding me.